followers on Instagram and more than 1,174 carefully curated posts, she has built a visual diary that celebrates bold femininity, elevated style, and unapologetic confidence. Her feed. It's more than just fashion. It's an experience. Every post feels intentional. Every look tells a story. From the subtle sheen of perfectly styled nylon to the commanding presence of high heels, Gabrielle transforms everyday outfits into powerful statements. Whether she's stepping out in sleek, polished streetwear or embracing the elegance of a refined evening ensemble, she knows exactly how to capture attention without ever losing her signature touch. And that signature? It's all about balance. Gabrielle has mastered the art of blending comfort with high fashion. She proves that style doesn't have to come at the expense of ease. One moment, she's showcasing timeless black stilettos that radiate sophistication. The next, she's experimenting with bold, vibrant heels that demand attention. And somehow, she makes it all look effortless. Because for Gabrielle, high heels aren't just footwear, they're a language of confidence, of power, of individuality. But beyond the outfits, beyond the aesthetics, there's something even more captivating. Her presence. Her Instagram at Miss Gabrielle Taylor isn't just a platform. It's a reflection of her identity. Graceful yet bold, chic yet fearless. Every pose, every angle, every detail feels authentic. She's not trying to fit into a mold. She's creating her own. And that's what truly sets her apart. In a world driven by fast trends and fleeting styles, Gabrielle Taylor stands firm in her authenticity. She isn't afraid to push boundaries, whether it's through daring color palettes, unexpected pairings, or reimagining classic silhouettes